pytest.ini, standard PyTest configurations here. Files, PyTest will look, well, these are the default ones, but we're saying we want it to look for test underscore something, classes as test wildcard, functions test underscore, the minimum version. We've registered some markers that we use in our tests. There's a note here about using the -- strict markers. And if you want to use -- headed for playwright, I've commented them all out. Good one to use is the strict markers, so that if they're not defined here in the markers or programmatically, an error will occur. Best to assume that. Filter warnings, I'm going to comment that out so we can see warnings in the future. If you're using console logs, here are your settings, but we're just using the log file output and we're logging it to pytest.log. We saw that in one of the earlier videos. And if we look at pytest.ini, we're printing out the date time, the level of logging, whether it's debug, info, warning, etc., the logger name, the message that we pass, the file name and its line number, and then we have the time, date, format. So as you can see, that's what we get here. If I scroll down, you can see it more in format there. So that's pytest.ini. The location is here at the root of the folder, and this is configured so that you can carry out the tests. I would add these in future for yourself, put that here so that they'll break, and in fact I might leave that in just so we can test that all our markers are registered. That's the end of this video.